In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up an Infinity Grid bot inside of Pionex. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to pionex.com. Once you're in here, you'll need to log into your account or sign up to an account, which is super easy to do. Once you do that, you'll need to click on this big icon called Create a Bot down here. And then from here, it should look something like this. Here you'll need to go over to Trading Bot, and then you'll need to select All, and then you need to scroll down until you see Infinity Grid. As you can see, it is right here, Infinity Grid Bot, that you can earn profit while hodling. Once from here, you'll need to click Create, and then from here, you can either watch a tutorial over here by clicking on this specific click here. Down here, you can also choose a trading pair, which is what the bot will trade. Down here, you can also use an AI strategy if you want to do that, or you can customize your own strategy by lower the limit price, the profit per grid, and the total investment. You can also expand to more advanced, where you can close bot at the USD or add a stop loss. If you click Use AI Strategy, you'll automatically choose a strategy by copy parameters here, and once you do that, you'll simply just need to click Create BTC USDT Bot. And then from there, the bot will start trading for you. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!